To get a new Venmo card, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Navigate to the menu by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Venmo card to access your card settings. Next, tap on the card image to view your current card details. If you want to replace your current card, tap on the Replace Card option. If you don't have a Venmo card yet, tap on Get Venmo Card to order a new one. You will be prompted to confirm your identity and address to ensure the card is sent to the correct location. Enter your name and address exactly as they appear on your government-issued identification. Once you have confirmed your identity and address, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the Venmo card. You will then be asked to choose your card design from a variety of options. After selecting your card design, review your card details to ensure everything is correct. If all the information is accurate, tap on the Order Card button to complete your request. Your new Venmo card will be mailed to you within a few days. When you receive your new card, you will need to activate it by going back to the Venmo app and following the activation prompts. This will typically involve tapping on the Activate Card option and entering the expiration date and security code from the back of your card. It is essential to note that you can only have one Venmo card at a time. So if you order a new card, your old card will be deactivated. Also, be aware that the Venmo card is only available to users who have verified their identity with Venmo. Overall, getting a new Venmo card is a straightforward process that can be completed directly from the Venmo app. By following these steps, you can easily order a new Venmo card and start making purchases and transferring funds with ease.